Hi everyone, we're on our way to buy chicken nuggets to our nearest McDonald's. We're going to do the 100 nugget challenge under 10 minutes. Yes, we'll see how that goes. But the sun is really bright today. We'll see you guys there.
How may I help you?
Hi, can I get 5 orders of your 20-piece nugget?
5 of them?
Yes.
Alright, any sauce?
Can we get ketchup, buffalo, and ranch? Just went through the McDonald's drive-thru and now we have 100 nuggets. Now we're gonna drive home and we'll see you there. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paulina.
And I am Brenda, if you don't already know.
And we're gonna be filming the 100 chicken nuggets in less than 10 minutes, right? Or what's the challenge called?
Something like that.
100 chicken nugget challenge. There.
So we did go to McDonald's, as you guys saw at the beginning of this clip, and we went to buy 100 nuggets.
So I'm gonna put the timer on my phone, but first I'm gonna open the sauces.
So we got some buffalo barbecue ketchup and ranch. And then we got ourselves some drinks. I got some blue Powerade. And what did you get, Paulina?
I got Dr. Pepper.
She got Dr. Pepper. I don't drink soda, so I got Powerade.
That's why she's thin and fat.
No.
I don't know.
You're gonna open all the sauces?
Just like that. I don't know how much I'll be able to eat. I don't know.
When we went through the drive-thru at McDonald's.
You don't open all the boxes yet?
All of them? No. Okay, because they're gonna get cold. You're right. The guy was reading our order back to us, and then he was like, 2 20-piece, and he's like, wait, am I reading this right? Did you guys say 5? And we're like, yeah.
Okay, ready? Oh, wait, I have to put the timer on.
Yeah, but it's because I might just get buffalo.
You're not getting ketchup?
No.
Why don't you? Yeah. This is messy.
Yeah, this is messy.
Ready? So we're gonna set up our timer. 10 minutes. Starting now. There we go. What? No. Do people eat slow first and then fast, or fast and then slow? I don't know. Should we play music or something? These are actually good. You can tell they're fresh.
And I'm just dipping my chicken nuggets and everything.
I don't understand anything you said.
I said
I don't even like barbecue, and I'm eating barbecue.
I don't like my nuggets with ranch either. But
are you counting how many you've ate?
no, were you supposed to?
I don't know. I think it's just like finish all the boxes, right?
Mm-hmm.
How do we know they give us 100 though? Because this box has a lot. I don't know, but we have 8 minutes. Hurry. don't know if I could do this. Hurry!
You're eating too?
It's a challenge, you know?
This one's a baby.
Oh no. I don't know if I could eat too. Oh yeah. I shouldn't have gotten soda. I shouldn't have gotten soda.
Why?
Because it fills you up. Good thing if we don't finish, we have dogs.
Yeah. Comment down below what your favorite nuggets are.
Where your favorite nuggets are from, you mean?
Hey, they can be store nuggets too.
Well, that's where they're from. I know that you guys will notice in our videos that I talk a lot and I talk with my hands a lot. Brenda's more shy. My mom just got home. She didn't think we're fat. I'm already full.
Not true. That's just a bad idea.
We were really excited to film this.
You're dipping it in everything? What?
I don't know.
I want to see what that tastes like.
5 minutes and 47 seconds.
My jaw pops a lot, so when I'm chewing, it's like popping. How much do we have left?
5 minutes.
5 minutes? Oh my gosh.
I can't anymore. Has anyone ever like won this challenge? My back hurts already.
Guys, I'm so full.
I'm gonna throw up.
Me and Paulina both have really light stomachs. So if we both start with wanting to throw up, it'll be game over for both of us.
If I see someone gag, I'll gag and I'll throw up eventually. We have a cousin, well, my cousin's wife. I know she's watching this. If she was doing this challenge, she could probably. She can probably do it. She's this thin, and she eats a lot. I don't know how people eat a lot and don't get fat.
And she has 2 kids.
But a fail. Oh, I'll reply later. 3 minutes. No.
No, there's no way. We still have 2 boxes full of nuggets. So, we lost, guys.
No.
There's no way we're eating 30 nuggets in 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
40. Because there's 20 each in each box. Plus the ones that we still have in our box. Yo, fuck no.
As you can tell, I can't do math.
I'm a beast at math. If you need me to do your math homework, hit me up.
And you know, math was my favorite subject in high school.
I can't anymore. I keep like looking over there instead of up there.
Oh.
Comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to see. We're open to anything and to everything. También podemos hacer videos en español para nuestra familia que no habla inglés. Hopefully, I'm gonna convince Brenda that we do Vlogmas. But we're so like I know she's gonna be busy, and I'm gonna be out of school, but I don't know if I'm gonna be working. But well, I'm gonna convince her to do Vlogmas. It'd be cool because since we both have different schedules, you'd see like her and then me in one day.
Oh yeah, that's right. So like half and half.
Yeah.
And like going back and forth.
Yeah.
But my day at work is pretty boring, so
I don't know. And I feel like if anything, my days would be the different ones.
Dude, keep eating.
Oh.
She totally forgot we were doing this challenge still. I'm pretty sure I've ate more than you.
Maybe. You guys will also find out that I get distracted easily. Like very easy. And I move a lot. Like I can't stay still like her. I have to be moving. That's just me. Oh, I can't anymore.
How much do we have left?
10 seconds. There it is.
Well, guys, that's it for this challenge. We definitely didn't make it. We still have 4 boxes.
We're going to be giving these to our family because there's a lot of us here.
So they're not going to waste, guys. We're not throwing them away. Just no food here. Just and this house never goes to waste.
Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what kind of videos you want to see. And
thank you all for your support.
I know. Thank you, everyone. We've been getting like, at least I have been getting like a lot of nice comments, and I have had a lot of you guys ask me when our next video was gonna be posted.
So we are planning on filming once a week and posting once a week. And hopefully once we get into the routine of like filming and posting, then maybe we'll film more for you guys and post more. So yeah, just stay tuned for our videos that will
turn on the bell button to be notified every time we post a new video, right?
Yeah.
Did you say that right? And follow us on our social media to also know when we're gonna post a new video. And yeah,
guys, I'm so full.
me too.
I'm
done.
Bye.